Like in my other video about fried sweet potato, ang isang banana na hinati mo ay equivalent to 190 calories yan. So, kagaya nito, dalawa yan. So, apat na halves. So, that's 380 calories. So, imagine niyo kung ikaw ay allowed ng 1,600 to 2,200, i-minus nyo mo yan para hindi po sosobra yung calories na kinakain mo a day. Pag ikaw naman ay hindi sedentary at ikaw ay nag-exercise, kagaya ko, I really delve a 30-minute walking and stretching in the morning and another 30 if I still have time in the afternoon walking. You can be allowed more than the maximum 2,200. Pero ako, ang aking calorie count talaga, if I can, kung pwede hanggang 2,000 lang ako or 1,800 kung ako'y sedentary. Kung baga, ako'y nakaupo lang, nakahiga lang the whole day, at medyo tinatamad akong mag-sweat out, I really do restrict myself to 1,800 calories. Ayoko namang 1,600. Pangit na po sa matanda ang sobrang payat. Okay? So, you need to eat this food once in a while for you to be able to build your collagen. Kasi pag masyado kang restricted sa diet mo, puro ka takot, abay magsasagpo lahat ang katawan nyo. So, enjoy. Yan po ang benefit pag hindi po tayo abusado. When I was very young, pag ako'y nag-a-attend ng party, hindi po ako masyadong kumakain ng mga cakes, mga umiinom ng mga soda. Yan. So, kaya po abundantly provided and in grace ng God ang aking katawan kasi I was mindful in my eating habits when I was young. So, take care of yourself. As I said, walang pwedeng mag-take care sa'yo kung hindi ikaw lang. Try to connect watching my other videos so that you can understand better the things that I had been sharing. Kasi kung isa lang at hindi mo patatapusin, kawawa po tayo na hindi natin makukuha ang mga sharing na to. I am so thankful na kapag influence po ako sa ating mga kinakain at sa ating mga habits. Thank you for subscribing, following, commenting, and liking. God bless everyone.